Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 25. How to promote affiliate offers with alternatives post. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with alternatives post, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, let's search for Powtoon alternatives, and here you can see suggestions for this keyword. Let's search for best Powtoon alternatives, which is the heading of our article. This is the article and the heading is Powtoon alternatives. Top 5 of the best Powtoon alternatives. Let's change it to 5 best Powtoon alternatives. Below we have listed all 5 alternatives with benefits, features, and cost. And here you can insert your affiliate link on this. Click here to learn more text for Animaker. Next is Movely. Here we also have introduction, benefits, features, cost with the affiliate link. Same for VideoScribe, then Explaindio and Doodly. So on Google, let's search for best Powtoon alternatives. Let's open a few links from here. On the first site, here we can see a list of all the alternatives with affiliate links embedded. Here we also have backlinks as well as this visit website link which has affiliate link embedded in it. Next site is Alternative 2, and here also you can see all the alternatives with affiliate links. On Next, first, we have Powtoon, then below a list of all alternatives. We can see all details by clicking on the Show Details button. Here first we have this main product, then again below we have all its alternatives. Back to our article. Once we are done with the content, insert your affiliate links. On Google, let's search for Doodly alternatives, and again you will get similar results for your article. So this is how you can promote your affiliate offers with alternatives post. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 26. How to promote affiliate offers with Versus method. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with the Versus method, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.